We have gathered here to witness and celebrate the union of two wonderful people. This ceremony gives us the opportunity to celebrate the love shared between this couple today. You being here is proof of your love and care for Steele and Makayla.
Makayla, my girl, watching you grow has been one of the greatest joys of my life. From the very beginning, you were our sunshine. You have a way of brightening every room you enter, lifting spirits without even trying. You remind us daily what truly mattered. It has always been true that there is no charm equal to the tenderness of heart. And Makayla, you have carried that tenderness with you your entire life.
Steele has never been afraid to give his all to something or someone he loves. He has the biggest heart out of anyone I know, and there's not a moment I have not considered myself the luckiest person that I was born with you as my brother.
You found your rose. Hold on to her and never let her go. I pray that God blesses you with a lifetime of joy, adventure, and unending love, and a few babies. Thank you again for being here, guys.
Steele, thank you for loving Makayla so openly and so orderly, yes, ardently, and for being the kind of man I am proud to call my son. And Makayla, thank you for loving Steele with the same warmth, grace, and thoughtfulness that you have always brought into this world. My hope for you is simple, that your life together is filled with laughter, mutual respect, and a love that deepens with every chapter.
I'm so grateful to see my sister happy and safe and comfortable in ways I never thought she would be. She is truly herself around you. She is radiant, and she gives you so much love that I've never seen her give anybody.
From the moment Steele and Makayla got together, it was obvious that this was something special. Makayla doesn't just love Steele, she supports him, she challenges him, and she truly makes Steele happy.
Even though we haven't lived together for a while, you will never get rid of me, and neither will he. So I hope tonight, with it being a little foggy out, you must be aware.
Bring down all the lights, let me hold you close.
Steele and Makayla, we've all gotten to see the beautiful life you two have begun to build together, and I know we are all thrilled to see you two continue to grow together in marriage.
May you never steal, lie, or cheat.
May you never steal, lie, or cheat.
But if you must steal,
then steal away my sorrows.
Then steal away my sorrows.
And if you must lie,
And if you must lie,
then lie with me all the nights of my life.
then lie with me all the nights of my life.
And if you must cheat,
And you must cheat.
then please cheat death, because I could not live without you.
And please cheat death, because I could not live without you.
Steele, do you take Makayla as your wife and as your companion? Do you promise to share her laughter during the good times and wipe her tears during the bad from this day forward? I do. And Makayla, do you take Steele as your husband and as your companion? Do you promise to share his laughter during the good times and wipe his tears during the bad from this day forward?
I do.
Now it is my distinct honor to present to you for the first time Steele and Makayla Schiffello. You may now kiss your bride.